back to do another video, and this video is going to be about this wig that I got from ElevateStyles.com. Y'all know I got my other wig from there, and I absolutely love their website and the wigs that they offer, so make sure you check out their website. I will leave it in the description box below. But I got this unit from there, and it is by Outre, and it is a quick weave, and this one is called Penny, and I got this in the color S1B33. So it's like a 1B with some streaks of like brown, as you guys can see. I hope it's coming up on the camera. But yeah, so this is the hair. I did tweak it a little bit. I did cut some hair out and create a few layers and stuff, but this hair is beautiful. This is big holiday hair, which is absolutely gorgeous. Like, I love this hair so much. I'll probably rock this hair for Christmas because it is just so big and va-va-voom and all of that good stuff. So yeah, this wig was $17 on ElevateStyles.com. You guys know that they have super affordable wigs. So yeah, and this is a half wig. It does have a comb along the top and a comb around the back. So yeah, I just tucked in the combs. I did turn this wig to the side a little bit, and then I did cut a bit of a bang area here. And yeah, so this is what the hair looks like, and I will show you guys the back of it. But it is just beautiful, bouncy, curly hair. I absolutely love it. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think of this unit. Leave any of your comments or questions in the description box, in the comment section down below. And yeah, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I have another upload.